Good morning, fellow goat farmers. Welcome to our channel, the Ngezi Boer Goat
Where?
Poultry Farm
Oh,
in
come.
Chegutu. Yeah, every morning before the heat of the day sets in, our goats leave the crow and head for the pastures, acacia pastures. That's their favorite. This is not just movement, it's instinct, as you can see, to nutrition. And this is sustainability at work. Here at Ngezi Boer Goat and Poultry Farming, browsing is part of our production system. It's not an afterthought. As you can see, goats are natural browsers, not grazers. So they love these acacia leaves, the seed pods, and the shrubs, which provide protein, minerals, and all these support their digestion. You notice they don't rush, they select, and they feed with purpose. As you can see, nature knows what the goats need. I don't know. They say pasture browsing. They say it strengthens immunity because these goats are eating all sorts of trees, and they boost their immunity. They improve their muscle tone, fertility, and this why we were saying this is part of our production system is because we cut on buying feed for our goats because we have all these natural pastures. Well, supplementation is still important, but just as a support, not a replacement for nature. At Ngezi Boer Goat and Poultry Farm, we believe that profitable goat farming starts in the bush. Healthy goats are raised, not dry. Browse first, supplement wisely, grow sustainably. Good day.